Now we will move on to the job card module. So before moving into the job card module, I'll go back to the work order page. So in the work order, now as I have submitted, so this is the page. Now I'll make job cards for this work order. So I'll go to job card, and in job card, I'll be adding a job card, which will be added by the employees. For example, naming series, it was X1, and the posting date, for example, I'm making it on 22nd. Quantity manufacture, I'll manufacture one. Under which project, the company, if quality inspection template is required, I can add it to the job card. Otherwise, I can skip it. Then I'll choose the work order under which I'm creating the job card. So this is the work order. That is WO1001. Yes, this one. So I'll choose the work order. Then under which workstation, drone assembly, operation, manufacture drone. Then these are all non-mandatory fields. We can get it default from the work order, but if it changes, we can just select it. Employee and all these things. So the raw material, I'll be using drone body from source warehouse is my progress. It has been put into the progress warehouse, and required quantity is 1. And I'll use drone wings from the progress warehouse as it has been put on by the work order and 4. Then scrap item, if it produces, I'll choose item 1, item code 123, for example, quantity 1. And time log, we can edit in this time that employee had taken how much time. This is the employee have taken, employee from time to time, time in minutes, and completed quantity. Now save it. So the job card is added. So now if I want to update, I can update. Otherwise, I can submit the job card. After After submitting, we have the status. Please start the respective work order in order to start jobs. So we have not started the work order yet, so we cannot start the jobs. We will go to the work order, then we will click on start. So we have started the work order now. Starts and refresh the page. So as soon as we refresh, the start button is visible now, and we will start the job card now. So that successfully started and time has been recorded. And after a few time, for example, 1 hour or 2 hour or as much time as it requires, when the worker or the employee will go to the job card and will now complete by entering the quantity that he has completed and select complete. So the job card has been completed and time has been recorded. Now we will go back to the work order, and in work order, we will complete the work order as well as the job cards has been finished. So here, as soon as we click on work order complete, we will get this page. So in this page, we will select the date on which day it was out. Then we will check drone body from warehouse progress. We want to we will not want to move it to the target warehouse because it will be consumed. Then drone wings has been consumed and drone has will be put into the target warehouse. So we will not select the target warehouse for these two, as these two has been consumed, and the drone, which is the product, we will choose the target warehouse. The quantity is 1, and we will submit it. So as soon as we submit it, the stock transaction or the stock entry is done. And if we go to stock balance now, and as we refresh the page, now the drone quantity was before 5. Now the current stock of the drone is 6. And in the progress warehouse, we have 0 drone body and 0 drone wings, which were initially 1 and 4. So this is how the whole job card and the work order has been completed.